Good morning, traders. It's a magnificent August 9th. Look at this trade. Fibonacci target is reached and you must move your stop outside of break-even. Why in the world have I gone mad if market collapsing like yesterday? Absolutely not. This is Fibonacci reversal zone. Look at that. As we discussed well before trading room open, as we discussed with students, well before trading room open, this is Fibonacci reversal zone. Your bias firmly bullish. As we also know that this is the end of the minor trend on hourly that's holding the key. What played out yesterday morning is picture perfect reminder. When reversal zone is reached, you never ever enter trend position into it. Everything you see in front of you is completely proprietary. Every single thing you see in front of you, identified days and weeks in advance. This is your key day trading entries. Your trading chart 1 minute and higher, your bias here firmly bullish. And this is a trade that knowledgeable trader understands. Price reached reversal zone. This is a trade that reminds you, only if you know the rules you will succeed. Shock or not, it's a reversal zone. Look at that. Is it possible that price would collapse in front of you? Just like it did on S&P hourly yesterday morning? Just like we will witness next on oil news? Just like I warned you yesterday morning on Nasdaq? Look at that. Remember that spectacular support on Nasdaq where buyers came in from? That's exact same thing you're witnessing currently on Tesla. This is Tesla's reversal zone. That's exact same support you're witnessing each and every day on S&P. And this is picture perfect reminder why I live and breathe Fibonacci and why my students become my dearest friends for life. If you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. If you understand that price would collapse completely from Fibonacci reversal zone, if you understand where to enter and where to exit your position, all you have to do, identify what you want to trade. It doesn't matter if it's Netflix that's reminding you, do not buy at reversal zone. Doesn't matter that subscription base increases by millions. Reversal zone is reached, price would reverse 85% of the time. Buy before reversal zone, not at reversal zone. If you know the rules, you know what to do with your position. If you don't and you speculate and you have sweaty palms, it's not a good thing. Because guess what? This is gold. Do you know what to do with your position on gold? Chart present in front of you for years. Where gold collapsed from? In 2016, multiple times. Where gold collapsed from? In 2017, multiple times. All the same formula. You master price, you master Fibonacci. All you have to do identify what you want to trade. Look at that, trail is placed in perfect place. The end of the minor trend respected, just like on Tesla, just like on gold, except you don't have to wait for days, weeks and months. You will see it instantly. Next on oil as well. Remember that on oil? Chart present in front of you for years. Remember bullish point of entry at the start of the trend? Remember this end of minor trend, it's institutional resistance. Never, ever, ever, ever buy near. This is what's holding key on oil. Level identified years in advance. Identical level on S&P right now that's holding the key on this bullish trade. How many points are you up? Depends on your execution, depends on knowledge of price action. So let's ask students how many lots, how many points are they? Because students giving you all the answers on all you need to know. Lee 175 points, 5 lots. Tashi 4, 2 points. Carol, how many lots? Probably 10, 15, 20. Carol is trading large lot size. 20 lots. I adore you, Carol. Dying to meet you. Boom. What is 20 lots? On how many points? Look at that. When students would close their trades, they would let you know. How many hours per week do you need to work? A whole lot less than 10. Only if you use spectacular sniper mentality, you will succeed. Carol, Tashi, Lee, do that. Rich, how many lots did you trade this morning? Boom. How did I know that this is a place to buy from? Fibonacci said so. And this is the level I developed in 2008. And this is a level that has high accuracy and applies to any instrument, any time frame. Doesn't matter if it's oil, doesn't matter if it's gold, doesn't matter if it's Apple. Doesn't matter what you trade. And this is what's holding the key right now. I would love to the price to collapse all the way back down, down, down again. Pretty please S&P do so. We love, love, love to buy at the bottom. That's what knowledgeable trader does. And as you could see, every single student, different lot size, different account size. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Is it gold? Is it Netflix? Is it 5 lots, 4 lots, or 20? Choice is yours. If you combine passion and 10,000 hours of effort, you will create very powerful product. If you never read book Outliers, pretty please do. So, if you are passionate about markets and you understand extremely well that indicators are artificial delayed stuff, earnings and news do not work, pay attention to price and Fibonacci, the only natural predictive tool in the market. Levels identified in front of you weeks in advance in a play this morning on little baby chart. Knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit your position, holding the key to your success. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. And that's exact same thing oil will do next, as you will see why I love, love, love oil news. Chart present in front of you for weeks. Price reminding you. Bullish news does not mean a thing if Fibonacci reversal zone is present. You would never, ever, ever enter trend position into it. What oil will do in this area is everything. Bias here is bullish, bias here is bearish. I do not care what the news will be. And that's exact same thing you witness on S&P. Pulling a triggered reversal zone is not wise thing to do. How many points are you up? On how many lots? Depends on you. On your knowledge of price action, on your power of execution, on your patience and discipline. Boom! How did I know that this is a place that's holding the key? Fibonacci said so. Never ever 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 acquire position at reversal zone. Doesn't matter if it's Netflix, doesn't matter if it's gold, doesn't matter if it's oil, doesn't matter if it's Facebook or in Q. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Using anything else is simply afterthought, is simply silly thing to do. And that remains the key. And that's what S&P is struggling with, as expected. So give me a big gift, baby. I know you can do it. Crash and burn back down to reversal zone. Let's get a bullish news on oil, and that will be pure fun. Only if rules are met. And that's what price does each and every day. Each and every time. Only if you apply sniper mentality to trading, only if you love the markets you will succeed. Only if you choose not to be trigger-happy trading cowboy. Success is possible. How did we know that this area would be a problem? Fibonacci said so since July. Each and every time, exact same dance. Only if you play by the rules, you will trade like Carol. You would trade like Lee. You would trade like Tashi. Only if you conquer instant gratification and your testosterone levels, you will succeed. That's what driving Trump, that's what driving Kim Jong. Greed and ego and testosterone, which is a beautiful thing that Carol doesn't have to deal with. That's the reason women make much better traders. Much, much quicker. So, if you build self-awareness, which is a huge part of the course, if you understand that psychology is everything in life, the sky's is the limit. So I hope and pray you're witnessing the importance of reversal zone. I hope and pray you're understanding that on institutional chart, on weekly chart, we are at institutional reversal zone. Do you understand that? Chart present in front of you for years reached institutional reversal. What do you do with your position? Will determine on your knowledge of the markets. I don't care if you're an Apple, I don't care if you're Netflix. Formula remains the same. Reversal zone is reached. Expect reversal. As you witnessed in front of you on little baby chart. Clear on that? And that's the focus of the course. Class is ongoing. Class starts from scratch pretty much every Monday. Most important class on Friday, long-term Fibonacci class. As instantly you see, using anything other than Fibonacci, silly thing to do. Very important class on Monday at 12 if markets are frozen. If markets are moving at 12:30. I am with students every day, 3-4 hours, Monday through Thursday, with guided live trading. If I am working with you in private mentoring, I set up Ninja Trader platform for you. I set up bracket orders for you, and I work on your execution as well. Group sessions, 8 weeks, private mentoring, 16. Average course time, 4 weeks. Average private mentoring time, less than 8. Less than 10% of mentoring students stay in the private mentoring 16 weeks. Never a need. Out of all the mentoring students I've had, only less than 5 stayed through 16 weeks. Because when I work with you one-on-one, we concentrate on your strengths, we concentrate on your weakness. And that's the core of the course. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And always and forever remember, listen to the students and see what they trade. As students from beginner trader to hedge fund trader, trading the method in US and globally. And that remains the key. You master the price, you trade like Carol, you trade like Lee, you trade like Dash. Choice is yours.